Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 12th of December. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. All the data was from the US. We saw the CPI come in better than forecast at 0.3%, whilst the core CPI came in on forecast at 0.2%. Now, of course, it was FOMC economic projections, interest rates decisions, and the statement itself. Well, interest rates remained unchanged. The message from the Fed Reserve was that the labour market remains strong and the economic activity has been rising at a moderate rate. They also indicated that they don't see rate increases through 2020 at this stage. So that was basically their release yesterday. In essence, the impact that it had on the US dollar, it was slightly dampened. And it did lose a little bit of ground against the major currencies. Not much, but that was the actual effect for the US dollar. All right, time to move forward. Let's have a look at our trade update. We had a trade hit our target last night. If you recall, I think 2 days ago I showed you this chart. It was the Euro Kiwi on a daily time scale. We had a support line and we had produced an inside candle. Basically, we were ready to take the trade off the break of that candle. This is what happened consequently. As I zoom in, yesterday we did break through and we were up around about 50 odd pips on that trade. And this morning, when I've had a look at my charts, I've been triggered on the upside and we've hit the target there. You can see that was my target level, that was my stop level. So Euro Kiwi was a successful trade. So for those of you who took that one, well done for you. The platinum trade that I showed yesterday did not trigger at all. It just continued to go up, so we move on. So having said that, let us have a look at the chart that I have found for us this morning. This morning's chart is the Aussie Kiwi on a daily time scale. Now, it looks to be setting into a channel. On the top side, we've had 1, 2, 3 touches. On the bottom side, we've had 1, and we are at a second touch right now. Now, we have already produced an engulfing candle there. That blue one is engulfing the little one over there, so that in itself is a trigger. The engulfing candle is a little bit more on the aggressive side, but nevertheless, for those of you who are interested, we are long Aussie Kiwi here. This candle where I'm pointing at right now looks like a little bit of a dot there. It's just started. We're about 20 minutes into that candle as I speak. So Aussie Kiwi on a daily time scale is our chart of the day. I have a position on that. Let's see how that one plays out, and I'll keep you posted as we progress through that one. Alright, what's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have this evening at 7:30 from the CHF. I've just got a mind blank at the moment, sorry. We have the monetary policy assessment coming and their press conference. So let's see if the Swiss dollar does anything, the Swiss franc should I say, does any movement at all. 11:45 from Europe, the financing rate, interest rate decision and monetary policy statement. So Europe today, there's a bit happening there. Look out for that. At 12:30, 45 minutes later, they have from Europe, the ECB has their press conference, and the only other major thing that's happening today, it's the parliamentary elections in the UK. Okay, so keep an eye out on that. We are approaching the festive season and the holiday period. Again, I'll remind you that we will be taking a break on the daily call very shortly. I'll make a formal announcement probably tomorrow or Monday, but next Friday will be the last daily call for 2019, and we'll resume again in 2020, probably around about the 7th or the 8th of January. I'll have a look at a calendar and I'll let you know exact dates. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.